spontaneously went into labor 80 hours in the morning. So the husband called his in-laws and told them, and they went on to the hospital instead of work. They would have been in front of them. Miracle, it's really 3 miracles, because the grandparents, the stories that are coming out are just...
When you plug too close to the source, you get feedback. That could be the tape, could be settings. I don't know how many times this tape has been recorded over. It is recording right now. Tape that's in it's pretty old, so I don't know how to adjust the video settings if that's what the issue is here, but that's a walkthrough. You get all the stuff you need to use this camcorder. Power, 2 batteries I haven't tested. I don't know if they hold a charge or not. They are 20. One of them is 23 years old, so if you get life out of a 23-year-old battery, you probably should write a book and start a religion.